Hello and namaste. This is the tutorial video for those who want to make their TikTok profile picture see-through, transparent, whatever you call. For that, you have to download Photo Layers application from the Android Play Store, which I have already downloaded and which have this type of interface. Uh, you can see here install because I have already installed that application. While you done installing, you open that application and you see the load up picture. Click there and select the picture that you want to make your profile picture and cut it or the crop it into the 1:1 ratio and select the required area that you want to make or put. Once you get satisfied or done with that selecting area, please click done. There we go. And we see like this, and then we have to cut it to remove the area or like make the see-through which area you want to make. We have to cut it manually. We can increase or decrease the size of the eraser, and while doing this you might delete the area that you don't want to delete. It happens sometimes uh, inside the area like this. For that, you can press that undo button in the side of that manual size given there. To get the detail, you can zoom picture like we zoom in gallery or whatever photo viewer we see the photo. We zooming and cutting like this, and it may provide you like details which may look better as a result. As detailedly as you do the erasing the area that you want to remove, that looks better. Once you done with the erasing and removing the area that you want to remove, then you see up there in the right corner done button. Once you click that, you see the smoothness 1 2 3 4 5. The smoothness is that is the thing that which makes the edges like smooth. I have put on 5 and I've saved. After saving that, directly goes to the gallery. Check your gallery. There we see I have saved twice, and that's why there is 2. I'm going to remove 1 and go to the application TikTok. Go to your profile. There you click edit profile. Up there, go to your profile and click edit profile. There change photo and select from the gallery. Select the photo that you have saved recently. Select the area that you want to put properly. Once you satisfy with the area that you want to put, click save. That will upload your profile picture up there. And now close all the recent app that you are opening, or close the application TikTok and restart the TikTok application. Click yes, like this. Go to your profile picture. Now check your profile picture if it is done or not, it is transparent or not. See, it's already done there. Now you can see my profile picture see-through or the transparent behind the area that I have removed, and there is like transparent. See, it's in every video, it's like transparent, which is very cool. I find it very cool and I'm sharing with you guys. Hopefully you guys liked it, and try if you wanna if you liked it. Thank you for watching. Keep updated, keep watching for more information videos. Thank you for watching.